change oil seal. This one is broken. So it's maybe good. This one is good. Might need replace for oil seal. Tagalogin ko na lang. Kailangan palitan ng oil seal. Oil seal. Nabubulol pa ako. First, linis muna. Linisin muna namin to. Kasi yung ibang mekaniko na pinagawa na to, nilagyan ng silicone, dapat hindi nilalagyan to. Very wrong. Wrong.
Mapi wrong.
You need remove all seat.